Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to request money using the RBC mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I head over to the bottom right area and tap on Move Money. From there, I select Interact e-Transfer. Once I'm on that page, I go to the section for receiving money and tap on Request Money. From here, I simply choose who I want to request money from, enter the amount, and select the account I want the funds deposited into. I can also add extra details, like a message, due date, or even an invoice number if needed. After that, I just review everything and continue to send the request. Personally, I find this feature really useful, especially when I need to quickly request money without going back and forth. So yeah, that's exactly how I request money using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.